Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, dices. Cloudy cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Claudie Cooks in the kitchen. Today we are making some crispy garlic herb baby potatoes with some sun-dried tomatoes and some Parmesan cheese. All of the ingredients using this recipe will be listed in the description box below. So let's cook. Woo-hoo! I'm using a bag of these baby new potatoes and I'm going to wash them down now and get them on the fire. Right, we're going to steam these potatoes now for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes or until they're full tender. So we're going to cover those on with the fire and we're going to get it to high and we're just going to bring it to the boil and then we start to time it from the point of the boiling water. Okay, so I will see you back when they're all done. Okay, these are done. I'm going to take them off the fire, drain them, and I'm just going to let them dry out. And whilst they're drying out, steam drying, I will prep the other ingredients that we will need for this recipe. Okay, let's grate some Parmesan cheese. We're going to use about half a cup. We've got some rosemary here, smelling absolutely beautiful. We've got some thyme. We're just going to give these a little chop. Oh wow, the smell that's coming from this. It's beautiful. I love the smell of fresh herbs, but of course dry has its place. Let's peel and chop some garlic. Okay, those are nicely minced. In we go into a bowl. Up next is the sun-dried tomatoes. We are going to use about half a cup and we're going to use some of the oil to roast the potatoes in. Right. See, I was putting it in the bowl. It wasn't meant to go there. It needs to go on the chopping board. Okay, we're just going to chop these up. You can just tell now the flavors that we're going to get from this roasted potatoes. They are going to be tasting amazing. If you like sun-dried tomatoes, you know what I'm talking about, and Parmesan and garlic, all the delicious stuff that makes things taste amazing. Okay, let's spring bowl over now. Let's pop it in. Just take a few more out, so we end up not having enough tomatoes on our potatoes. This is perfect. Okay, let's move on to the next stage. Okay, we're laying out the semi-cool steamed potatoes and we're going to give these a nice little smash. I'm using this to do that, but you can use a spoon or a fork, but I find this is going to be easier for me. Just a little, not too much. So when they're like this, they will get really nice crispy edges around, and that's what we're looking for. Okay, these are looking pretty good to me now, so let's put them on a baking tray. Some of them may fall apart depending on how hard you press them, but it doesn't matter. You know, like I said, you're going to get some beautiful crispy edges on these potatoes. Right, we're going in with some of the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes. I think we're just going to drizzle generously over these beauties. You know, this is going to add amazing flavors. Now we're going to hit that up with some salt and black pepper. Now for some sun-dried tomatoes. Going in with some garlic, chopped garlic. Oh my goodness, only if you could smell freshness, the beautiful flavors that's just coming from this. It's amazing. And this is going to be really garlicky because I used about 5 cloves of garlic. And what we're going to do now, right, we're going to get this in the preheated oven at 220 degrees, and we're going to roast those for about 25 to 30 minutes. But don't forget to flip over halfway. So I shall see you back in a mo. And there are our potatoes after 35 minutes, and we're going to add the rest of the ingredients now. Right, we're going in with some Parmesan cheese. We're going to sprinkle that all over. And we're going to either crank the oven back up onto 250, or we're going to put those under the broil, which is the grill, and give them another 5 to 8 minutes or so, making sure that you keep watching them so they don't burn. Okay, so this is the mixed herbs we've got here. We've got some rosemary and thyme. Sprinkling all of that all over there. Right, and we're going back in the oven now, so I'll see you back in a mo. Oh my goodness, look at these. I've just taken them out of the oven. Look at how tasty these are looking. Wow, beautiful. Let's plate up. Look at that. Going in with some more Parmesan cheese. How beautiful is that? And some chopped parsley. I'm just going to add a drizzle more of those sun-dried tomatoes oil. And there you have it, guys, my crispy garlic herb baby potatoes with sun-dried tomatoes and Parmesan cheese. Look at that. How delicious are these looking? If you're liking what you see, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button so you won't miss any of Claudie Cook's uploaded videos. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think of this one. Enjoy. See you in the next video. Let's taste one of these beauties here. Oh my, look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. These potatoes are full of flavors. You're going to keep this on repeated. Trust me. It's absolutely yummy. Take a bite. Delicious. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.
Claudie Cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices.